Hello everybody, welcome to Cars Channel. And we'll bring some new cars. I just drawed some cars, but I didn't color them. I'm gonna color them tomorrow. But here are the cars. Here is one car. This is called the Instrument New Car. And this car is called the Supercar. And this car is called the Galaxy Super Ocean Swimmer. So there you have it. So let me just show you more things. So today we will be talking from this car. Am I great, Mama?
Yes, you are great, my love.
Okay.
That's the best car show I ever saw.
Today we're going to do the supercar. So, you see, it's real. It's very good. And, oh, I almost forgot. They're all different kinds of cars. So, I made this one. Oh, just give me a second. I just have to go to the bathroom. Boom.